Dubai Municipality uses thousands of HP toner print cartridges in its various departments and branches. With such a huge facility, officials are concerned about the amount of technology waste they produce. To prevent used cartridges from ending up in landfills, the civic body has tied up with HP's Planet Partners program.
I think with this partnership with the HP, we are putting a good understanding with the private sector in terms of saving the environment by reuse and recycle of the cartridges which is being thrown away without making a good use of it.
It is estimated that the program has prevented 300,000 tons of carbon emissions in 2008 alone. Cartridges collected are recycled into automotive parts, clothes hangers, fence posts, microchip processing trays, serving trays, and other hardware. Empty boxes such as these are distributed in various sections of the municipality, as well as small and medium enterprises.
The cartridges that are collected, they are built in a recycled form in other products. For example, tires for cars, or other printers, or we use the plastic to build ink cartridges, HP ink cartridges that are used in new printers again.
The initiative follows the civic body's PC refurbishment project. Old computers, printers, and other accessories were collected, maintained, and sent to the less fortunate across the globe where they were put to good use. While Dubai Municipality is just one new addition to the existing SMEs in the program, officials hope to inspire other departments to do their share in reducing and recycling waste. Khadija Sali, City 7 News.